Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you could put a comment on the video, that would be fantastic. It helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have the Volcano Burger, and it's real easy to do. All right, here's how to make the sauce for this, for our Volcano Burger. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, followed by 2 tablespoons of sriracha. A little bit more for good measure. The juice of a half a lime. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Kind of just do it to taste. Remember, make sure you taste this before you finalize it, or if you need to adjust any seasonings at all. Then kind of a splash of banana pepper juice. Let's say, I don't know, about a half a tablespoon, give or take. Then you want a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then you want a half a teaspoon of paprika. Then give this a whisk till everything is thoroughly combined. Give it a taste, adjust seasonings, and then let it chill out in the fridge. I'd say at least an hour before you make your burgers, give or take. All right, let's make the burgers. Grill with lumped charcoal. We have our 3rd pound patties. That's 5.3 ounces if you want to use a scale. By the way, for burgers, I do highly recommend using a scale and not going by feel, because if the burgers are all the same size and the same weight, they're going to cook the same. That's common sense. All right. So they're a little bit bigger than our 1/4 pound patties, so I'd say probably about 3 minutes, and then give them a flip, and then just flip them every so often until they're done. All right, time to give our little burgers a flip, and then 3 more minutes on the other side. Okay, here's a little tip. When you have a flame up that is not going out on its own, just grab some water or grab a little beer, dump it on in it. It should go right out. Don't worry, that fire is still ripping hot. So a couple more minutes on this side, and then we should be able to add the cheese. Okie dokie. Because these are 3rd pound burgers, I like to add 2 slices of cheese to them. Now for the Volcano Burger, I'm going to be adding pepper jack. For another burger, I'm going to be adding Colby Jack, but that's another burger. All right, cheese is melted and gooey and nice. Time to bring these burgers into the house. Okay, let's go to assembly. As you can see here, we have our nicely toasted bun. And grab our patty. And then give a generous spreading of our volcano sauce. And, of course, pickles, because pickles makes everything better. And then some of those banana peppers that I use the, I guess, juice of, for lack of a better term. And then a tomato slice. And then we want some thinly sliced red onion. You can also salt and pepper these two if you wish. And then finally put the top bun on top. And that's that. A Volcano Burger. Done.